according to psychologists, there are 4 types of intelligences. IQ, which we all know, EQ, the emotional quotient, SQ, the social quotient, AQ, the adversity quotient. Intelligence quotient, which is the IQ, this is a measure of your comprehension, your ability to solve maths, memorize things and recall subject matters. Emotional quotient, that's the EQ. This is the measure of your ability to maintain peace with others, keep to time, be responsible, be honest, respect boundaries, be humble, genuine and considerate. Then there is social quotient, the SQ. This is the measure of your ability to build a network of friends and maintain it over a long period of time. It has been noticed that people that have higher EQ and SQ tend to go farther in life than those with high IQ but low EQ and SQ. What I mean to say here is, people who are high on the intelligent quotient, the IQ, may be successful in life, but people who are high on the emotional quotient and the social quotient become very, very successful in life. Now, what's happening? Most of the schools are capitalizing on improving the IQ level of the student, while the EQ, that is the emotional quotient, and the SQ, that is the social quotient, are played low. A man with high IQ can end up being an employed man, but a man with a high EQ and SQ, even though he is an average IQ, can land up being a leader. Your EQ represents your character. Your SQ represents your charisma. Give into the habits that will improve these 3 Qs, but more especially the EQ and the SQ. EQ and SQ make one manage better than the other. Please don't teach children only to have higher IQ, but also to have higher EQ and SQ. Now, there's a 4th one, a new paradigm, the AQ, the adversity quotient. The measure of your ability to go through a rough patch in life and come out without losing your mind. AQ determines who will give up in face of trouble and who may abandon the families. To parents, I would request, expose your children to other areas of life other than academics. They should adore manual work and sports and arts. Please do not use manual work as a punishment. If your child has spilled water, do not punish the child to clean it. Help the child, train the child to clean it. Let the child feel it's a responsibility and not a punishment. Develop their EQs, SQs and AQs. They should become multifaceted human beings, able to do things independently of their parents. Finally, do not prepare the road for children. Prepare the children for the road. Thank you.